It's time for Patterns of Development Part 2. In the previous episode, we talked about narration, description, and definition. In this episode, we will dive into cause and effect, classification and definition, as well as comparison and contrast. Let's start. Cause and effect analyzes and presents the reasons of an occurrence or an observed behavior towards a subject. It shows the relationship between how something happens or happened and what causes or caused that thing to happen. When put into writing, either the cause or effect will be emphasized. Pause the screen and look at the example. For classification and division, it organizes subjects in a way where those subjects can be categorized together or be separated from another type. It breaks down a general category of things into smaller subcategories. Now pause your video and let's take a look at the example. Taking a look at comparison and contrast, it puts emphasis on how two subjects or concepts are similar and or different from each other. It is basically the examination of similarities and differences, but doesn't usually appear with the other. The example can be found at the examples page. Though classification and division, as well as comparison and contrast, show comparison within its contents, it is important to note that the focus of classification and division is to group and categorize, while the focus of comparison and contrast is to see similarities and difference within its contents.